Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TradeTide token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, TradeTide launched in December 2025. TradeTide is an AI-powered trading agent infrastructure designed to support market analysis, strategy generation, and automated execution across centralized exchanges and on-chain environments. The project is developed the project is developed by a global distributed team with experience in artificial intelligence, quantitative trading, and blockchain ecosystem engineering. TradeTide provides a unified interface that enables users to query market conditions, analyze technical indicators, evaluate on-chain activity, and execute trades through a connected routing engine. Its AI model generate technical assessment, risk evaluation, and strategy suggestion based on user prompts. Once users define a trading strategy, TradeTide can simulate performance through a multi-time frame backtesting framework before sending transaction to support trading winners. The platform integrates a natural language reasoning system with an execution modules that connects the centralized exchange APIs and centralized liquidity pools. This design allows user to move from analysis to execution without leaving the interface while maintaining control over their accounts and custodial arrangements. The system also includes an agent framework instead for future expansion, enabling developers and quantitative researchers to create autonomous strategies operating within defined risk parameters. Trade tied token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 137.5 million TDT token. TDT token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.